What's the difference between high quality versus low quality powder?
Low quality powder and high quality powder definitely affects the cost and amount of powder you will get. High quality powder requires a lot of high quality pigments, and that can be very pricey. So you can see when I move this, you can just see all the shimmering pigment inside in comparison to this powder, which doesn't show as much pigment shifting. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's pretty evident in person. This is our low quality powder that we found. As you can see, this powder does not have as much of a dramatic color change. It doesn't have as much of a shift. It kind of looks a lot more one-dimensional to me than this powder does. Can you guys tell the difference? Give me a heart in the comment section if you can tell the difference.